Hello peoples, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today we are going to make papers with the old paper. So basically we are going to recycle the papers. So yeah, let's go and see how to make that. Here I have taken a filled notebook. You can take any one of them. As you can see, now we will cut few of the pages as I am doing. And now we'll make these small pieces with these papers. You can also tear it with your hands. You all have to do the same as I am doing. So finally we have this much paper. We just need to put water and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Just depends on the thickness of the paper. Here I am using thin paper, so I just have to left it for 2 to 3 hours. If you are using more thicker paper, then you have to put it for 24 hours. And now after 2 hours you will look, the papers are looking like this. It has soaked the water. Now we all have to grind it in a mixer. So you have to put all the papers in a grinder and also put some water to make a pulp. After grinding, it will look like this. You don't need to make it more thinner. It's just be okay like this also. Now what you need is a container in which you can put chutney or sieve. Now you need to put the pulp and mix it well as I am doing. Then just put your chutney slowly into the water. Okay, I'm doing it again. Just leave it for few seconds and then after pull it out. Slowly pour the water. It will look like this. It has made a layer on it of the papers. So now with an cotton cloth you need to soak all the extra water. You have to do this slowly, keeping in mind that the paper will not break. Just put out the clothes slowly, keeping in mind that the paper will not break. And yeah, it will look like this. You can see. So now we just need to put it on a cloth, and if you found that your paper shape has somehow went wrong, so just fix it with the help of a balan as I am doing. And then we just need to put off the cloth slowly as we have done earlier, because there is a huge chance that the paper will tear out. So yeah, be careful at that point. And now you need to leave them for 24 hours to let them dry well, and then it will look like this. I have made some papers, you can see. I also have put colors into them. So yeah, it will look like this. Now we are going to make some drawings on these papers. So firstly I will wet the paper with the water, and then I am choosing two colors, basically red and yellow, for making a scenery. You can choose different colors too as per your wish. And I am using the red color in the bottom. You should be careful that the paper don't break. Do it slowly. So now I am going to use the yellow color at the top of this paper, and then we will blend both the colors red and yellow to make it orange. So yeah, I have taken another brush and blending both the colors. Blending basically means mixing both the colors to make a new texture. As you can see, I am putting the yellow color on the red one and mix it well. So now with the black color I will make buildings on it, and then we will write a quote. So first I am making the border lines, and then we will color in that. Now fill the black color in the hole. Here we are done with this part, and I have written have a good day. That's basically how I was also not able to do so. It was really tough for me. So these are my failed attempts. This is my Instagram ID, so do follow me on my Instagram
Yeah, I know
page.
you all will find it little bit difficult. It was also difficult for me, but after finally 5 fail attempts, I was able to do that with the help of my mom. So yeah, just keep practicing. You will able to do that, and I hope you all enjoyed that part with me. So yeah, keep going, keep muskurana. We'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and also follow me on my Instagram ID. You will find it in the description box.